Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can delete your playlist on Spotify. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Spotify app and then tap on your library. From here you can see the list of your playlist. Now just choose the playlist that you want to delete. For example, this playlist. Now right here on my playlist, you can see these three dots. Just tap on that and here you can see this option, Delete Playlist. Just tap on Delete Playlist. Are you sure you want to delete this playlist? Now just tap on Delete. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.